Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all some lip lightening lip balms. These are normal lip balms but they also help in lightening your dark lips, and dark lips तो इंडिया में बहुत बड़ा problem है. It's something that's so common that it happens to every other person, and dark lips के बहुत सारे causes हो सकते हैं. It could be genetic, like it could run in your family, or it could be because of excessive smoking, or some people also say that ज़्यादा टी या कॉफ़ी कंज्यूम करने से भी लिप्स डार्क होते हैं. It can be because of using low quality or expired lipsticks or other lip products, and too much of licking your lips, not taking proper care of your lips, if your lips keep drying out all the time. So बहुत ज़्यादा reasons होते हैं dark lips के, and it's just something that's so common that all of us deal with it. And जो upper lip होता है, that's generally a little darker than the lower lip. So in order to bring back the natural color of your lips, to make your lips more pink and to reduce the darkness of your lips, you can use these lip balms. They will not just help in hydrating your lips, but they will also give you sun protection and make sure that आपके lips और ज़्यादा dark नहीं होए, and they will also help in treating the darkness and bringing back the original color of your lips. So if you want to know which are these lip balms, then please keep on watching. Before I share them with you all, I just want to mention कि ये जो सारे lip balms हैं, they are all available on Amazon. आप इन सारे को Amazon से purchase कर सकते हो, and Amazon is currently running this huge sale, so you'll find all these products at really good discounts and deals, and you will be able to save on a lot of money if you shop them from Amazon. सारे purchase links मैंने description box में दे दिए, you can check that out. And yeah, with all that being said, let's quickly get started. So the first lip balm that I have is actually a lip screen. This is by Hyphen. Hyphen जो है ये कृति सैनन का brand है, and this is their all I need lip screen, and इसमें आपको SPF 30 मिल जाएगा, so it's gonna give you sun protection, and this is very hydrating. Like let me just show you. इसका जो एप्लीकेटर है ये कुछ ऐसा है जैसे ओल्ड वैसलीन ट्यूब्स में जो एप्लीकेटर आता था exactly वैसा है, and you gotta apply it like that. आपको अपने हाथ बिल्कुल नहीं यूज़ करना. And can you see how hydrating it is? So it's sort of like a lip oil, and it gives you a lot of hydration, it gives you sun protection, and इसमें जो ingredients है, it's got vitamin C, it's got vitamin E, it's got kojic acid and avocado oil, so it's very hydrating. Avocado oil hydrates the lips, vitamin C helps in brightening up the lips and repairing your damaged lips. Kojic acid helps in reducing the darkness on your lips, so it's going to help in bringing back the natural color of your lips, and it also has vitamin E, which is very nourishing for your lips. It's going to make your lips very soft and smooth. So इसमें जो सारे ingredients are, they're all lip friendly, they have so many good benefits, and इसका जो texture है and the amount of hydration that it provides is amazing. So this is one of my favorite lip balms, and I just use it all the time. Okay, so the next lip balm that I have is by Wishcare. This is their ceramide lip balm in the variant natural. Generally I prefer wearing non-tinted or colorless lip balms only, especially when I'm at home. I only wear tinted lip balms when I'm going out and when I'm not in the mood for a lipstick. That's the only time when I'll wear a tinted lip balm, but most of the times I'm always wearing a non-tinted one. This is non-tinted. This is absolutely colorless, as you can see, and ये भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा hydrating है. It's very hydrating, not as much as the Hyphen one. Hyphen wala too is like a lip oil only, but this is also very hydrating. And the best part about this is that इसमें SPF 50 PA triple plus है, so it gives you a really good amount of sun protection for a daily basis, and आप इसको लगा सकते हो अपने lips पे, and on top of that you can apply a lipstick. It gives you like a lot of comfort, and it's also not going to move your lipstick. मतलब it provides the right amount of hydration but not too much to not let your lipstick settle. तो ये lipsticks के नीचे लगाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा lip balm है. It will give you hydration, it will make your lipstick glide smoothly, and it will also give you sun protection, so it will not make your lips tan in the sun. Moreover, इसमें ceramides है, kojic acid है, niacinamide and cocoa butter है, and the smells also like cocoa butter, which is a very delicious smell. So niacinamide helps in color correcting, it helps in evening out your skin. Kojic acid helps in lightening the darkness on your lips. Ceramides gives you a lot of protection on your lips. तो अगर आपके जो lips का जो barrier है, if that is damaged, ceramide will help to repair that and strengthen the lip barrier, making your lips more nourished. And इसमें cocoa butter है, which is extremely hydrating, and it just smells really nice. So it's again a very nice lip balm to hydrate your lips, to give you sun protection and to lighten the darkness on your lips. Okay, so the third lip balm that I have is not something that you can wear in the daytime. ये रात वाला lip balm है. Of course इसमें SPF नहीं है, but it helps in reducing the darkness on your lips. This is Minimalist L-ascorbic acid lip balm. It's a lip treatment balm actually, and this contains ingredients like vitamin E and glycerin, which are both very hydrating and nourishing for the lips. They help in improving the texture of your lips, and जो भी roughness है, जो भी chapped lips है, वो heal कर देता है ये, and आपके lips को बेबी सॉफ्ट बेबी स्मूथ बना देता है. एंड इसका जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है दैट इज L-ascorbic acid, विच इज नथिंग बट विटामिन सी. इसमें 8% विटामिन सी है, एंड विटामिन सी हेल्प्स इन करेक्टिंग योर स्किन टोन. तो अगर आपको कोई भी डार्कनेस आपके लिप्स पे, तो विटामिन सी विल हेल्प टू लाइटन दैट एंड ब्राइटन अप योर लिप्स. तो बेसिकली ये एक लिप ट्रीटमेंट बाम है. इसको आपको रात को लगा के सोना है, एंड इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू गेट अप, आपको जो लिप्स का टेक्सचर है वो तो इंस्टेंटली इम्प्रूव हो ही जाएगा. एंड इफ यू यूज दिस कंटिन्यूसली फॉर एटलीस्ट 2 weeks, यू विल सी अ नोटिसेबल डिफरेंस इन द कलर ऑफ योर लिप्स एज वेल. अगर आपके लिप्स डार्क हो गए हैं विद टाइम, तो आपके लिप्स थोड़े थोड़े लाइट होने लगेंगे स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली इफ यू यूज दिस एवरी डे. सो इट्स लाइक अ नाइट ट्रीटमेंट थिंग. एंड दिन में आप इनमें से कोई भी लिप बाम लगा सकते हो टू गिव यू सन प्रोटेक्शन एंड हाइड्रेशन. एंड रात को आप ये लगा सकते हो फॉर हाइड्रेशन एंड some correction. Okay, so the next lip balm that I have is by the Dermaco. This is their Kojic acid lip balm, and as the name says, kojic acid helps in reducing melanin production. तो जब आपका melanin production reduce हो जाता है, जो darkness होती है वो automatically reduce हो जाती है, और आपके जो skin का natural color है, lips का natural color है, it comes back. So this has kojic acid and it helps in lightening your dark lips. Moreover, this has SPF 30, so it gives you sun protection, and it's also very hydrating. काफ़ी hydrating lip balm है ये. Not as hydrating as Wish Care is, but it is still hydrating. This doesn't even have any fragrance or as such, so if you like fragrance free products, you will definitely like this. Again, it's a very good lip balm to wear during the daytime, especially under your lipstick, because it gives you the right amount of hydration, which is like great to hydrate your lips and not so much to make your lipstick slip away. So the perfect amount of hydration, perfect amount of sun protection, and it also helps in treating your dark lips. Okay, so the last lip product that I have is not a lip balm. It's more like a lip peel. Like जैसे chemical peels होते हैं आपकी skin के लिए, जो आपकी skin को exfoliate करते हैं, top layer of dead skin निकाल देते हैं. Just like that, this is a lip peel. So this you have to apply on your lips. It comes in this roll-on thingy. It's got this roll-on applicator. आपको बस इसको अपने lips पे लगाना है कुछ ऐसे. And once you apply it, you gotta leave it on for 10 minutes. 10 मिनट के बाद आपको इसको हल्के हाथ से ऐसे मसाज करना है फॉर अ मिनट और 2, एंड देन यू नीड टू रिंस इट ऑफ. आपको इसको पानी से अच्छे से घिस के धो लेना है. सो दिस हेल्प्स इन एक्सफोलिएटिंग द टॉप लेयर ऑफ डेड स्किन. तो जब आपका डेड स्किन, मतलब जो टॉप लेयर ऑफ डेड स्किन है वो निकल जाता है, तो आपके जो टेक्सचर है लिप्स का, जो भी रफनेस थी, वो काफ़ी स्मूथ हो जाती है. आपके लिप्स काफ़ी स्मूथ और सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं. एंड जब टॉप लेयर ऑफ डार्क स्किन, टॉप लेयर ऑफ डल स्किन निकल जाती है, सो द फ्रेशर न्यूअर लेयर ऑफ स्किन comes on top, and the pigmentation is gradually reduced, the darkness is gradually reduced, and आप इसको हफ्ते में एक बार यूज़ कर सकते हो. So this is like a weekly treatment thing for your lips. You cannot use it daily because daily exfoliation lips के लिए बहुत हार्मफुल होता है. द स्किन ऑन योर लिप्स इज मच मोर सेंसिटिव दैन द स्किन ऑन योर फेस, एंड फेस पे भी हम रोज स्क्रब नहीं करते बिकॉज इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर द स्किन. तो लिप्स पे तो डेफिनेटली रोज नहीं करना चाहिए. once a week is more than enough to use this, and you can use it like a chemical peel for your lips. It will help in color correcting your lips, it will help in texture correcting them, and it will just make your lips lot more luscious and plump. So you can use this like once a week as a weekly treatment thing. इसमें squalane है which makes sure that आपके जो लिप का बैरियर है that remains protected and hydrated. It's got hyaluronic acid which locks in the moisture into your lips and prevents your lips from drying out. And this has lactic acid which is the main ingredient. Lactic acid is an AHA जो आपके लिप्स को exfoliate करता है gently, and lactic acid is known to exfoliate darkness as well. तो जो डार्क लिप्स है वो बहुत अच्छे से ये एक्सफोलिएट कर देता है. So those are all the lip balms and lip treatment products that I recommend for dark lips. If you have the problem of dark lips, you can definitely try these out. If you're using any other lip balms, you can switch them up. Use these lip balms instead because they contain SPF, which will give you sun protection and prevent your lips from tanning. They give you the right amount of moisturization just like a normal lip balm, and they contain ingredients like kojic acid, vitamin C, which help in lightening the darkness on your lips. So they give you 3 benefits in one, and I highly recommend you switch up your normal lip balms with these lip balms if you have dark lips. Make sure that you use these products for at least 1 entire month to see a visible difference. Nothing is going to happen overnight, nothing is going to happen in 1 week. You have to use these products for a really long time to see visible results, to see good results. You have to be very consistent, not just with these but with any products. Nothing works overnight. So any product that you're using, you have to be very consistent with it. So make sure that you use them for 1 month at least to see the difference. If you use them, if you try them out, do let me know your experience in the comment section below after using them for at least 1 month. If you have any products that help in lightening your dark lips, then do comment down below. I would also love to try out more such products. If you're new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel, you can follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.